Kalangut MLA Michael Lobo. The resort linked to MLA Michael Lobo is the Nazari Resort. GCZMA had ordered the demolition of Nazari Resort back in 2018. Today we are in March 2026 and the areas of the resort which were ordered for demolition by the highest authority of India, Supreme Court, still stands strong. Hello, hi, salam or namaste. Welcome to MQM News Network. Today we talk about those that make the rules for us. The rule book in India exists of two kinds. One set of rules for them and one set of rules for people like us. Let's dissect this rule book. Are you familiar with the concept of moonlighting? Moonlighting, as all of the corporate employees are very well aware of, is an individual or an employee being contracted at two places. So working at two different institutes at the same time, which in the entire corporate world is not allowed as per the corporate contracts, and for factory workers as per legal laws. They are not allowed to be employed at two different places. What about our MLAs, the public servants who are supposed to be serving in their official designations? Well, there is no concept of moonlighting for our politicians. As we are well aware, every MLA has multiple roles in different capacities. While being a politician, they are also restaurant owners, villa owners, Airbnb owners, land owners, etc. and etc. Today at MQM News Network, we speak to you about some such cases. In India, MLAs vote for their own salary hikes, and naturally the hike only keeps getting hiked. The contradicting factor is the same MLAs who have their partnerships and ownerships in restaurants, villas, lands, casinos, properties are the same set of people who are deciding the rules on environmental clearance, on which land will be allotted to whom, how an agricultural land is being illegally converted under acts like TCP Act 39A. So these are the same set of people who are on both ends. Now, the question MQM News Network asks the public is, do you think that the same set of people who are making money out of these properties and these investments should be deciding what should happen with the actual land and the common man? Talk about one prime example everybody is aware of. Kalangut MLA Michael Lobo. The resort linked to MLA Michael Lobo is the Nazari Resort. GCZMA had ordered the demolition of Nazari Resort back in 2018. The order was in fact challenged but was dismissed by the National Green Tribunal. And finally, the ultimate authority that operates in India is who? The Supreme Court. Supreme Court also dismissed the appeal in April 2024. Now, was the resort demolished? No. Today we are in March 2026 and the areas of the resort which were ordered for demolition by the highest authority of India, Supreme Court, still stands strong. And this resort is linked to an active serving MLA. Why do you think that is? The same reason. The people who have investments in such properties, in such ideas, are also the same people who decide where the CRZ law applies. And then these MLAs go on to protest against other illegal homestays, other illegal properties, while their own properties continue to break the law blatantly. And this is not just about Michael Lobo. This is about every such politician that continues to function in different capacities, last as a politician, last as a public servant, but first as a property owner, first as a hotel owner, first as a villa owner. Because this is where their monetary interests lie. In 2021, The Print, this publication had conducted an investigation which found out that out of 40, 10 MLAs in Goa had their personal investments in properties in the hospitality sector. That means out of 10, at least 4 MLAs have their vested interests in these properties continuing to run. So when your personal crores are on the line, public health takes a backseat. When your own resort is built illegally, environmental clearance just become mere suggestions. When your own restaurant is breaking all the norms, enforcement then becomes harassment. Every MLA in the country not only draws salaries per month of lakhs of rupees, they get permanent pensions, they get all perks like monthly fuel of say 500 liters, they get staff members free of cost, all of their salary coming in from the tax money, they get cars, batti wali gadi, they get homes free, everything. And yet the least the public expects from the public servants, from government servants, is that they do their due diligent duty after drawing in lakhs of rupees from their different businesses while moonlighting, while collecting their salaries and perks and pensions in lakhs. This is Misbah Qadri reporting for MQM News Network. Stay informed, stay vigilant, and stay tuned in to MQM News Network, because the Indian Army protects you from the enemies outside, while MQM News Network vows to protect you from the enemies within.